So Ashik, the next question for you is, how do you handle the asynchronous operations in Cypress test?
Actually, Cypress automatically handles asynchronous operation using its built-in command queue and promise chaining. And in the Viecoron API automation project, I use Cypress inbuilt methods to handle asynchronous operation, where Cypress efficiently manages the asynchronous operations such as the API request and DOM interaction. For instance, when testing a form submission that trigger API calls, Cypress waited for the response before proceeding with the next assertion. This way, it chaining the commands like a cy.request and .cy.get, with then ensuring that each step only executed after the previous one that I wrote was completed. Thereby, it maintained a reliable and synchronous test flow and more bug-free and more error-free.